Hi and welcome to the course. My name is Nikolai and I will be teaching you how to hack websites using multiple techniques. Now the course is designed to take you from scratch with no previous knowledge about web security or hacking. So let's see what I'm going to cover during the course. First you'll begin by exploring the basics of World Wide Web and how HTTP protocol works using Wireshark, which is a network protocol analyzer. Then I'm going to teach you how to prepare your web testing lab by installing OWASP, Web Hacking Environment, and then how to use Vega platform to test the security of web applications. Once done with that, I will move to SQL injection. In this part, you will learn how to bypass login forms and how to write SQL queries to find databases, tables, and sensitive information, such as usernames and passwords. I'm also going to show you how to use SQL map and how to prevent your site from SQL injection. Then I will show you how to hack WordPress sites using WPscan, which is a security scanner that helps you to find security weaknesses within WordPress installations. So after completing this part, I will move to cross-site scripting attacks, where you will learn the stored and reflected attacks. You will also learn how to take full control over the victim machine using B framework and Weavly. And lastly, I'm going to cover some social engineering attacks, like cross-site request forgery and phishing. After completing this course, you will understand common web hacking techniques used by hackers, and you will have a practical knowledge about vulnerabilities that affect web applications. Now, please remember that all information exposed in this course is for educational purpose and shall only be used to expand knowledge and not for causing malicious or damaging attacks. Okay, so now let's see who is this course for. This course is for beginners or anyone who wants to learn about web application hacking. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you inside.